G'day, Adam, VK4GHZ. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the Brisbane Microwave Activity Day, and we're going to check out 2.4 gigs.
VK4UH, VK4ADC, portal.
Whoa, end stopping, VK4ADC, VK4UH probable, 5 and 9 plus all there is on the S meter there, Doug.
Yeah, you're up around the 40 over, the 30 to 40 over, so big signal from you, Kevin, go.
Yeah, roger, Doug, that's about 15 watts that I'm measuring at this one, but I haven't peaked the grid pack on you or anything, it's just in the general direction. Not even going to move it at that.
You're okay, Kevin. Well, I'm only running about 2 watts on this band, 2 watts into a dual band coffee can style feed into the grid pack. I think it's about an 800 by 600 grid pack, and so the 3.4 is on the same feed. All right, brilliant copy.
VK4UH portable, VK4ADC portable, Acrobat.
Doug, VK4ADC, just working VK4UH on 13 centimetres. Peter's dish there beaming up to Kev. But as we bring it around, we're very close to getting very wet.
Yeah, thanks, Doug. That's a great copy. Let's see if we can pick up Peter. VK4EA, VK4UH portable.
VK4UH, VK4EA.
He's there.
VK4UH, VK4UH, VK4 Uniform Hotel Portable, VK4 Uniform Hotel. This is VK4EA, VK4EA. I can hear you, Doug. Not Doug. Sorry, what's your name again? Kevin, over.
Yeah, it was Kevin 4UH you would have heard.
I've got him better now. But don't pick him.
4UH, VK4LE portable, do you listen?
Shit, that's what he just misses.
Can't hear anybody.
Kev.
It's not coming back to anybody. Oh! Here comes that weather. It's getting closer. VK4UH, VK4UH, VK4EA calling. VK4UH portable, VK4EA. Oh, I need more power.
VK4UH, VK4 Charlie Zulu portable, VK4UH, VK4UH, VK4 Charlie Zulu portable.
5 and 9 plus 40, over.
QSL, yeah, you're sitting just on plus 40. I've swapped over to my beam at the moment, not Doug's one, and go from hearing you in the noise to 40 over.
Yeah, it's tremendous. So is that the same is that Peter's radio? You've just changed antenna?
Negative. I'm on Doug's 3-in-1 box, so I've got 5 watts into 22 elements at the moment.
Ah, roger. Okay, well, you're a huge signal. I just wasn't copying Peter at all. Maybe he's got something he wants to have a look at. Perhaps we can try a bit later in the day, but this path should have been easy. VK4CZ portable, VK4UH portable.
Yeah, QSL Cam, I'll let Peter have a go now, but yeah, you're constantly 40 over. We've just got a huge rain, huge shower and downpour just going down the valley to the south of us, so we'll be running for cover if it decides to move north. Yeah, all understood, that's great. Oh, that's what I just thought.
VK4UH, 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 VK4EA, VK4EA calling.
You copied you. You're 4x1, 41, 4x1 with TSB.
Finally! Oh, thank God for that. I thought I was doing something stupidly wrong. Okay, I'll give you a 4x0, 4x0, no needle movement, but certainly copyable, over.
Yes, we did make it. Awesome. Yeah, well, I should get motivated and put the grid pack up. That's I think that's my problem. Cheers, Kev.
This is the 2.4 3.4 transverter box. 2 coaxes coming in the top, 2 1.141s going to the dual band feed, the 10 megs, the IF and the 12 volts and control all come in the connections at the bottom. The antenna itself, the grid pack, is one of the ones that I've added 10mm square mesh to, just so that it works a little bit better at 3.4 gigs.
Yeah, you're genuine 10/9 there, Doug, 10/9, and yeah, only running 1 watt into a length of Teflon coax and a coffee can feed into that 1.2 metre dish. So yeah, yeah, you're quite audible and you're right on frequency, so you must be GPS locked there, over.
No, I'm TCXO locked. Everything runs off a single 10 meg TCXO that's been running for the last month or so, Peter. In fact, it's probably been running for a lot longer than that. I just don't think about it. But it just stays powered on all the time, and even when I'm travelling, it runs off a 12 volt SLA, so it's still powered, over.
Yeah, no worries, Doug. That's all good information. Okay, I've got Scott CZ who's picked up on you now with a little dish, so we'll see if we can make a contact there, over.
Yeah, okay. Standing by. Listening to VK4 CZ portable. VK4 ADC, VK4 ADC, VK4 CZ portable. You're 59++.
Full scale here, beautiful signal, really good, and just proves we can spit down on you. VK4 ADC, VK4 CZ portable.
I'm just running off car battery today. I can't be bothered with the hassles of a generator, not to mention the noise that might upset people. And the Thunderbolt display, which I've built into my 2.4, 3.4 transverter systems, very useful. I can keep an eye on battery volts, and 12.57, it's still reasonably healthy.
VK4 yagi, VK4 OE portable, or both portable.
VK4 OE portable, this is VK4 EO portable. Yeah, you're a genuine 10/9 there, Doug, over.
Well, that's good. You'd expect that type of thing. They're quite fine and loud sort of signal here, as I was explaining to Scott. The signal, the background noise levels are on track about 9 here. I should do something about that. And then, yeah, the signals are pushing well up into the red as they come in, including yours. But for that's understandable reasons, it's just a little bit less strong than Scott is. VK4 EA portable, VK4 OE portable.
VK4 OE, VK4 EO. You know, worries, Doug, thanks for the contact. And yeah, I think there's a few other operators. Adam up at Picnic Point, and the guys at Howes Knob have definitely got 2.4. So I've done the 2 southern stations, unless there's any others in this one. VK4 EO listening.
VK4UH, VK4 Golf Hotel Zulu portable on 2.4, over.
Get off the side of the dish and you 10/9 over VK4GHZ, VK4UH4. Give us a bit more and I'll turn the dish to you.
Roger, Kevin. No problem. I'll just give you a bit of a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is VK4 Golf Hotel Zulu portable from Katoomba Point Lookout at Toowoomba on 2403.2, over.
Roger, VK4GHZ portable, VK4UH portable. You're 5/9 here, Adam, with rapid flutter. There's a rapid flutter on your signal, but you're 5/9, VK4UH portable.
Thank you, KJ. I QSL the 5 and 9. You're also a good solid 5 and 9 at 0111 on 2.403. And good copy. Don't know what the issue is on 1296, but certainly good copy up here. Over.
That's amazing. I'm running 16 watts to get myself to just a standard grid pack. Interesting, the heading that I've got for you is not the same as I was using on 1296. It's about a few degrees off, so that's very interesting. But you're a good signal now, good signal. VK4GHZ, VK4UH portable.
Yeah, good, KJ. I've got a visual reference. It's handy being able to look straight through the grid pack. There's a bit of a mountain that's a good reference. So do you have 3.4? I don't think you do, over.
Yeah, I do. It's not set up at the moment, but we do have 3.4. It's just finished, so it's sort of its first run.
Okay, no problem, KJ. We'll stand by from that. And yes, do observe the flutter on the signal. Quite unusual. I haven't heard that on other signals. So something funny with the path. Thanks for the contact. I believe, what are we? We're 122 kilometres. VK4UH portable. This is Victor Kilo 4 Golf Hotel Zulu portable.
Roger, Adam. Great contact. Terrific contact.
VK4UH, you copy me, VK4LE portable. What's the go through? VK4LE, just give me a bit of carry, I'll turn the dish to you, VK4, Uniform Hotel 4. Okay, from the beacon on this frequency, but we're going to be able to do it, so just run the ident.
This is VK4GHZ portable, QRZ, QRZ. Yeah, really good copy, Scott. Wow, I'm surprised. That's amazing when you look at the terrain profile. You're 5 and 8, 58 over.
Yeah, QSL, Adam. You're 5 and 9 plus 10. 4 and 9 plus 10. I'm standing with the yagi, 6 and 2 and 1 here, so hopefully I don't move too much.
This is your homebrew yagi.
Yeah, Roger. Compared to the little one of Doug, this thing's just outperforming it almost twice as good. The signal reports are just amazingly different.
Wow, I'm really surprised there's a path. That's incredible, over.
Yeah, okay, I'll go quiet for a moment.
VK4CDI, VK4CDI, VK4ADC, portable mount cravat. You also, Phil, you're about 40 over 9 on the metre here, and I'm beaming, I just had a look, about 270 degrees. I think the theoretical's 266, I figure that's close enough. Nice big signal though, VK4CDI portable, VK4ADC portable. You're okay, Phil. Yeah, nice signal. Nice signal. How much power are you running your end? You're okay, that's great. Well, I'm only running on this band about 1 watt. 1 watt into the dual band feed into the grid pack.
Roger, running a 25 loop yagi. That got people up a little bit, so brought the signal up a little bit. It's 14 watts to a 25 loop yagi. VK4ADC portable, VK4CDI portable.
You're okay, Phil. Well, I'm just writing the log up, so 2342 close enough. 2342 Zulu and 3400 15. Thanks very much. Catch you later. VK4 100, I should say. VK4CDI portable, VK4ADC. Listen.
VK4GHZ, VK4CDI. Copy me, Adam.
Hello, Phil.
Yeah, I was wondering, I was calling out here. Look, I'm going to have to pull a pin here. I've got to get away, so pass on my apologies around the traps that I've got to start breaking everything down here. VK4GHZ, VK4CDI.
Any chance of a quick 3.4 contact? I'm there now.
Roger, you're probably pretty well north. I'll swing around and we'll give it a try.
Roger.
I see 2.4.
VK4CDI, VK4GHZ portable. VK4 CDI, VK4 CDI, this is VK4 Golf Hotel Zulu Portable on 3.4 gigahertz, over.
Roger. VK4 GHZ, VK4 CDI, you're 5 and 5, Adam, do you copy?
I certainly do. Thank you for the 5 and 5. You're peaking 5 and 8, 58, your signal report, over.
Roger, I haven't picked the beam on you yet, so I'm just shooting in the trees also. But yeah, good copy, no problem at all. VK4 GHZ, VK4 CDI.
Any chance of peaking up? I'm really keen to, this is only my second only contact on 3.4, you being the last one, of course, from Mount Mobilen, so really keen to see if I've made any improvements, over. All right, Phil, no problem. We're not that far away. It's only about 14 kilometres if you're not far from your home, QDH, over. All right, Phil, I appreciate the contact, and it's nice to use the gear. I'll let you get going. VK4 CDI from VK4 Golf Hotel Zulu Portable. No worries, 7-3s, Phil. Thanks for coming up.
VK4 ADC, VK4. I think I've got a problem here, Doug. Just dump it all. I'll have to investigate.
Alright, we'll have it up for a little while. I'll have it available for a little while, and I'll be pulling it down so I can have a closer look at the 5.7 and 10.
That's pointing at Doug 40E. That's with it pointing at Peter VK4EA and Scott 4CZ. And around about there is pointing at Adam VK4GHZ. VK4GHZ, VK4ADC, 3.4 gigs.
Yeah, VK4ADC portable, VK4GHZ portable. Nice signal from you there, Doug. Good solid 5 and 9, 59 over.
You're okay, Adam. Your signal is between 20 and 30 dB on the metre scale here. So 5.9 plus without any problem at all. Not bad for the path. I'm running about 1 watt into the dual band copy can feed for 2.4, 3.4, and that's an 800 by 600 grid pack. So it'd be somewhere around, I guess, 25 dBi pointing your way, Adam. VK4GHZ portable, VK4ADC portable.
Yeah, great, Doug. VK4ADC portable, VK4GHZ portable. Well, the 1 watt's doing a fantastic job, running about 6 or 7 watts out of the Toshiba power amplifier into the 600mm dish with the RF ham design tri-band feed. So we're very pleased about that. This extends the last contact I made, which was only 89 kilometres, so 106 kilometres is a worthwhile improvement, and given the signal strengths both ways, I'd say both systems are working very well. Over.
Yeah, right, Adam. Yeah, look, it's a brilliant signal, Then again, I've got a brilliant location. I've got minimal tree line in between me and you, so yeah, it's not bad at all. All right, that's great, and it's probably it'll be pretty close to the longest path I've managed to work on this band as well. VK4GHZ portable, VK4ADC portable.
Yeah, excellent, Doug. Well, I'm certainly coming back to this spot. It's very viable, so I'm quite happy with the results so far. Thanks for the contact, and we'll certainly be looking for you on 10 gigs, even if you are running low power, given how good the path is. VK4ADC portable from Victor Kilo 4 Golf Hotel Zulu at Katoomba Point Lookout.
Okay, cheers, Adam. VK4ADC portable, Mount Cravat Lookout.